You know, students, the engineering program is relatively new to the Uintah Basin and for its students. With me now is David Sam, senior lecturer in engineering, relatively new to our faculty. David, thanks for joining us.
Thank you, Bob. It's good to be here, and I'm excited about this program.
You know, a lot of students, they've always expressed an interest in engineering. Those living here in the Uintah Basin have somewhat been limited in the fact that they couldn't take a lot of classes, no classes in engineering, so would refer them to main campus. Tell us what the implications are for students now who've expressed an interest in any one of the engineering programs.
Well, what we have to offer, Bob, is an entire core program through the first 2 years of engineering, which will terminate here in an Associate's of Pre-Engineering degree. And what that engineering degree will do for the students is give them the opportunity to enroll in one of the professional programs up in Logan to finish their junior and senior year.
So it can really give them a head start.
Oh yes, very much so.
And from what you've seen the first year you've been here in the first semester, really quite a popular choice for
yes,
students.
we're getting a very positive response. We first offered the introductory engineering course, and we've got 14 students enrolled in it.
So students, you know, when they think about engineering, they synonymously think of USU. And you know, for good reasons, career implications. You were telling me just a little while ago about the career implications for people in engineering.
Yeah, well, I recently heard a report specifically referring to electrical engineers, but the other disciplines of engineering are not far behind that, that even in light of the economy right now and the lost jobs, there are more electrical engineering positions than they are able to fill.
For students who have just clicked on and wanting more information about engineering, what would you tell them right now for that new student who's thinking about engineering as a possible path of study?
I would seriously consider it because there's ample career opportunities, and it's a very exciting program to study. There's a lot of very interesting projects you can get involved in, a lot of interesting coursework, but it's a lot of work, though, as a lot of students know, to study engineering.
I think just worthy to note that David Sam is teaching to a lot of students throughout the state, and so it makes it feasible to have students not only here in the Uintah Basin but throughout the state, and you and your colleagues at these other regional campuses are also helping teach them, so it makes it economically feasible for us to deliver these programs, which is a great asset to the students.
Yeah, in fact, there are 2 other engineering faculty at the Brigham City campus that are my colleagues that I work very closely with in providing the course material for these classes. And most of the classes that are offered by one of us 3 faculty, or the introductory classes, we actually team teach those classes.
Students, to get a great start in an engineering program at USU, come visit with David Sam, check on our website to get more information. He'd be more than happy to discuss some of the upcoming courses that he's going to be teaching and to get you well on your way toward your engineering degree. Thank you, David.
Thank you, Bob.